Hi everybody, this is Navid from Network Elite. Today we are gonna walk through the steps of how to install Vmware Esxi 7.0 on your host. But before we do that, please remember to subscribe and click the notification bell to keep up to date with all of Network Elite new videos. When you download the ISO file from Vmware website and boot it on a disk such as USB flash, next you are ready to follow these steps to successfully install your Esxi 7. Okay, as you know, the Esxi 7 is the world's most powerful and popular hypervisor provided by VMware. Also note that Esxi 7 requires a host with at least 2 CPU cores and a minimum of 4 GB of physical RAM. I ran this scenario on my VMware Workstation 16, which if you don't know how to install it on your system, please hit the suggested link above. So let's dive into the installation progress. First, we wait for boot up process and also for modules to be loaded, and this progress will take you at least 2 minutes based on your host hardware. Now we see modules are loaded successfully, so click continue and then press F11 key to accept end user license. And so in this step, Esxi starts to scan for hardware of our host and shows all of the available disks to install itself. So select your disk, then press enter, and after that provide a super secure password for your Esxi hypervisor. And finally you are ready to install that by pressing F11 key. Now you successfully installed your Esxi 7, and in this step, just configure our hypervisor by pressing F2 key. Now in this part, you can change your password. And in the part Configure Management Network, you can add 2 VMware cards for load balancing and fault tolerance. You can also set your VLAN ID here, and in this section, you can configure your IPv4 address and additional network components. If you don't need IPv6, you can disable it here. At the end, set up your primary and also secondary DNS server IP address, then press escape key to exit and then reboot your OS. Now open up your web browser and type your Esxi IP address or hostname to see this page. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope this is informative for you, and also please support this channel by clicking subscribe button and notification bell for more content.